In the early 14th century, when empires were expanding and the world seemed vast and full of uncharted territories, the Ottomans rose from a mere beylik in northwestern Anatolia to a formidable empire that would dominate continents. The story of their naval prowess is an intriguing tale of ambition, innovation, and strategic brilliance. At the heart of this phenomenal rise was the ambitious Sultan Mehmed II, also known as Mehmed the Conqueror. Ascending to the throne in 1451, Mehmed's vision extended beyond mere land conquests. He saw the vast seas as both a challenge and an opportunity. The capture of Constantinople in 1453 marked not just the fall of a city, but a pivotal moment that gave the Ottomans strategic control of the Bosporus Strait. The city, with its advantageous location, became a central hub for trading and naval activities, setting the stage for the rise of the Ottoman Navy. The Ottomans were astutely aware that naval power was a key to economic strength and military dominance. To bolster their naval capabilities, they tapped into the rich maritime traditions of the Eastern Mediterranean and absorbed the skills of shipbuilders and sailors from their new territories. The Golden Horn soon bustled with activity, with shipyards working tirelessly to craft a formidable fleet. Turkish craftsmen were not shy about integrating the techniques of their adversaries, constantly innovating to create faster, more agile vessels. As the Ottoman fleet expanded, figures like Kemal Reis emerged, renowned admirals who would secure Ottoman dominance across the Mediterranean. Their tactics were revolutionary. They incorporated the use of artillery aboard ships, making their vessels not only transporters of troops, but floating fortresses that could wage war at sea with unprecedented effectiveness. By the early 16th century, the Ottoman Navy was an undeniable force. Key victories, such as the Battle of Preveza in 1538, firmly established their naval dominance. Spearheaded by the legendary Admiral Barbarossa, Hayreddin Pasha, the Ottomans inflicted a crushing defeat on the Holy League, ensuring their control over the eastern Mediterranean waters. Under Suleiman the Magnificent, the height of the Ottoman naval dominance was realized. He recognized that control of the seas meant not just military supremacy, but economic superiority. Under his reign, the Navy did not only serve as a military tool, but was integral to the flourishing of trade routes that linked the empire to the broader world. The Ottomans controlled the spice and silk routes, their goods reaching as far as the gates of Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. However, with time came new challenges. The rise of naval powers in Western Europe and advancements in maritime technology gradually shifted the balance. By the late 17th century, the once unrivaled Ottoman Navy faced the realities of change and competition. Yet, their story remains a remarkable illustration of how visionary leadership and strategic investments in naval power transformed a regional power into a master of the seas. Even today, the remnants of their shipbuilding docks, maritime architecture, and tales of naval conquests echo the legends of the Ottoman Empire's golden age at sea. Their legacy as once being the masters of the Mediterranean continues to intrigue historians and naval enthusiasts alike.